What it be, Holmes? Alright, today we're going to be doing a quick video on the E38. What do we have in all of this bubble wrap, you ask? Well, let's open it up and find out. That's right, we have a strut brace for the E38. There she blows. Now let's see about installation. Should be pretty easy, because we have 3 nuts on this one, 3 nuts on this side. They're 13 millimeter, so I'll set you guys up and we'll get this thing put on. Alright, so this is kind of how this is going to look on there. So the only disadvantage of this thing really is going to be anytime you have to pull this thing off or something, you have to take these off. But you know, you work on your car too much when you know what size nuts everything is off the top of your head, which those are 13. So bust them loose right quick and we'll get this thing on. Bam! Tighten her down and call it a boom done, shall we? Hand start these things before you impact them. That's good practice with any part of your car. Any nut, any bolt, hand thread before you go around impacting things. You're going to have a bad time. Ask me how I know about that. DUN done. Alright, that's how we install this ultra racing front strut tower bar for the BMW E38. The whole point of this thing is it will reduce body roll. Now we have an extra brace up here along with the sway bar underneath. And it's not like I track this thing, it's a 7 series for God's sake. But another added benefit is the safety issue in case I get T-boned or smashed from the front or something. You know, I have a little bit of stiffening up here to prevent my one side from getting all the way caved in. So perhaps it will survive a crash. Maybe. More importantly, I might survive the crash. And what's more is when I hit big, huge, nasty potholes, instead of one side of the suspension taking all the damage, you can maybe kind of even it out and let some of this side absorb a little bit. And life won't be so brutal up here in the city with this nasty traffic and potholes, etc. So there you go. Nice short video on the E38. How to install this thing. I bought it off eBay for 160 bucks. Pretty reasonably priced. And I think we're done with the E38 for a while. We'll do the door handle and stuff later, as I mentioned before. But we got the Camaro out now. As you can see, the Vet is gone. It has been replaced by the Camaro for the rest of the summer. And we have a little bit of work to do on the Camaro. So the next video is going to be on the Camaro. If this weather is nice this weekend, we'll get to this guy. The problem I'm having is in any gear whilst driving and accelerating at about 1200 RPMs, I get this rattle from the exhaust. So I'm not sure if there's a broken piece in my cat or if I have a busted baffle in the mufflers that's vibrating and clanging around in there, or if it's maybe a heat shield's loose, rattling against the exhaust. I'm not sure, but we'll get this thing up on the ramps over the weekend, weather permitting, and we'll figure out where this rattle's coming from, and then we'll have a video up on that. So that's it for the E38. Soon to be coming is this guy. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.